Jakom duond bura mar ODM Mbadi obwogo gwe tao kaka jakom mar duond bura no. Mbadi wacho magi kalore gi liet masani okwako duond bura mar ODM. Mbadi osebedo ka yudo sund mag siasa masoke kaka marem chopo e rombe mag siasa ma itimo kod ogai mar Azimio la Umoja One Kenya Raila Odinga. Moko kuom jood bura bende osebedo ka seyo yo ma itayo godo duond bura no. Mbadi wacho ni pod onyalo medo konyo ODM kata ka ok odhi e romo makamago.
Many of us have been around for this party for long, and I'm still there, and I can serve this party at whatever capacity. Those who think being chairman is so important to them, let them offer themselves. I am very ready to leave. Right now, I'm the chair, but I'm not dying to be the chair of ODM. I have done my bit. So what is their problem? That's why they took away minority leader from me. Since they took it away, see, I'm still alive. They can also take chairman. I'll still be there. And by the way, I want to repeat it for record. I want to leave this position of chair ODM. The same people at one point didn't want me to attend the rallies. So since when did they discover that my attendance to rallies is important? I have other forum to address issues that pertain to the party, including this one. I am better off, even in parliament, articulating issues of the party. If they feel I'm rebelling, are they Mbadi? And what is their problem? So what do they want to do to me? They want to take me through disciplinary process?